Hi guys, welcome back to our wonderful Wednesday art chain, and this is also our Color of the Month collab with NateBrightArt. I'm Julie E. This is Art by Julie E. These are the colors and pouring medium that we're going to be using today. We've got Creative Inspirations Paynes Gray, this little piggy in Tail Feather, Eye Candy Pigments in Ghost Blue, Pebeo in Fluorescent Yellow, and Pebeo in Iridescent Green Yellow. And I thought those colors would go great with our Paynes Gray, which is the color of the month. Now I'm going to use that as a base coat, and then I'm going to use a little pouring toy that I got from Spontaneous Creations by Brian. You can find his shop on Etsy. It's Spontaneous Brian. I will have a link for that in the description of my video, so please go check that out. And the links for all the other artists in our wonderful Wednesday art chain are just Janice and Massey Art Studios. Janice was just before me, so if you haven't seen hers yet, please go check it out after Massey Art Studio. And Nate is joining us. He's going directly after me, and then directly after Nate, we will have Massey Art Studios. I will have links to all of their videos in my description for you, so it'll be really easy to be able to click to the next place. And hopefully the live chat will get those links up for you in this live chat also. Now I'm putting my paints in little paper cups just because they're easier to control that way. I didn't want to try and pour out of my glass jars into that little opening on top of the toy. And so yeah, it really makes a cool flower type design, but it's not your basic like 5 petal or 8 petal or 12 petal. It's got an unevenness to it. The petals are kind of staggered, as you'll see, and it's really cool. I'm gonna go ahead and put some music on right after I tell you, when you're pouring your paint into this style of toy, if you find your paint going all the way up to the top of the holes, wait for the paint level to come back down before adding another layer. And I'm constantly turning my cake spinner just to try and make sure that I get even coverage out every one of the holes and down the petals. My paints here are pretty thick. I have not really thinned them down. Oh, there's a little drip, but easily removed. And yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. My pouring medium was Elmer's school glue and water. 70-30, 70% Elmer school glue, 30% water. Shake it to the point of insanity, and then my paints are mixed 1 part paint to 2 parts pouring medium. And yeah, you get kind of a mound on a mound, but it disappears fairly quickly. There you can see it. So, all right, let's put on some music. I'll see you at the end for wet and dry results, you know. Do the flyover thing. If you haven't already, please like, share, and subscribe. You know, all those fun UB2B thingies. All right, see you in a little bit.
I woke up feeling on top of the world, like nothing's ever gonna bring me down. This feeling got me flying high as a bird. I may never touch the ground. It may not be my birthday, but I just wanna celebrate. I just wanna celebrate, 'cause it's a good day, good life. I just wanna celebrate all night. celebrate. I just wanna celebrate, 'cause it's a good day, good life. I just wanna celebrate all night.
Okay, before I take it down to put it on the drying rack, gotta give you a look-see. Oh, there we go. I love that. Look how three-dimensional that looks. Like it's actually going down into the flower. I love that. God, I love that. That's so cool. I know you've been seeing it from far away, but I can't get over that. That three-dimensional look. It's so cool. And that's one thing that's great about Paynes Gray. It adds so much depth to your brighter colors. That's why I kind of went with the fluorescent yellow and the Pebeo, because they're really kind of bright and in your face. Oh look, I see an alien. You see an alien? A bunch of aliens having a conference in the center of the flower. Yeah, I got a weird mind. Okay, be back with dry results in a snap. And here it is all dry. I think it turned out awesome, especially since I had so much paint still on the canvas that I needed to try and spin off, but left. So yeah, you can see the texture, you can still see some air bubbles and stuff, but that's nothing a little sandpaper and then resin won't take care of. So I really like it. Hope you did too. And up next, don't forget, Nate Bright. Loves and hugs, y'all. Bye.